Yeah, g'day YouTube, ZL2RO here again, just doing a video on Winlink Express. Alrighty ho, so we open a session. Might have to move that over here, just for this demonstration. And we go over here and we select the station we want to connect to. And here's ZL1 BDL 40 meter band. Even though it says channel is busy, that is because there's a bit of interference on the band. But I'll show you how this works. So we connect, it says it's busy, but want to continue to connect, so we do. I don't know if you can see the radio there, it's actually it's making an attempt to connect. As you see here, its connection state is connecting. Now, hang on, we can't see all that. Here we go, that's better. Yeah, so now we're in a receive state. We have now connected via Winlink RSM to ZL1 BDL. As you can see here, we have connected. So as you see, the radio is transmitting, now receiving, transmitting, now receiving. Right, so now received, well, there was nothing to download obviously from them. There's no emails for me. I will do another video on sending an email. And now it's the sending ID, which is the call sign in Morse code. And we should receive back, here we go, CW ID, ZL2RO. And now we have disconnected. So that's just a little video on Winlink Express, and the version is 1.5.11.0. So I hope you enjoyed it. 7.3, catch you again.